Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you each and everyone? In our lesson today, we are going to explain linear equations. For example, we have x plus 4 equals to 20. So as you can see the equation, we have here two equal sides, left side and right side. And in the middle, we have the equal sign. So to solve this for x, what we can do is we have to do the inverse operation. If it was addition, we are going to make subtraction. If it was subtraction, I'm gonna make it addition. If it was multiply, I'm gonna make it division. And if it was division, I will make it as multiplication. So as you can see here, who's annoying the x? It is the 4. So I need to get rid of this 4. I need to eliminate it. So what I should do is I will switch this 4 from this side to the other side. Only I will change the sign. If it was positive, I will make it negative. If it was addition, I will make it subtraction. So since it is plus 4, I will make it minus 4. So I'm going to write the x as it is, equal as it is, 20. Then this 4, I will make it minus 4. Now let's read it. We have here 20 minus 4. So the x equals 20 minus 4, which is, yes, exactly, it is 16. So let's take another one for addition. So if I said m minus 18 equals to 20. As you can see, who's annoying here? The variable m. So we need to get the value of m. We need to solve it for m. So who's annoying the m? It's the 18. Since it's minus 18, I will shift it. I will transpose it to the other side. So it will be plus 18. So 20, this 20, it's house. So I will write it in the beginning, then plus 18. Then the m will be the answer of adding 20 plus 18, which is how many? 38. Yes? He can make it addition, subtraction, multiply, or even divide. So before I will explain the multiplication, if I said 5y, this means 5 multiplied by y. Yeah? So if I said, for example, 5s, this means the 5 will be multiplied by the variable s. So when I ask you 3m equals 15, what it does mean 3m? 3m means 3 multiplied by m. So we need to get rid of this 3. Since it is 3 times or 3 multiply, I will do the opposite, which is division. So I will divide by 3. I will divide by 3 for both sides, left side and right side. And as you can see, the 3 is going to cancel the 3. So it will be only m equals 15 divided by 3, which is how many? Yes, it is 5. Another one for multiply. So if I said 8y equals 48. I will ask myself, what does mean 8y? 8y means 8 multiplied by y. So since we have multiply, I will change multiply to be what? To be divide. So to get rid of the 8 multiplied by 8, I will divide by 8 for both sides. So I will divide here, I will divide there. So the 8 is going to cancel 8. So y is equal to 48 divided by 8, which is how many? It is 6. How it's gonna come with division? Let's take one. M divided by 4 equals to 7. As you can see here, we have division by 4. So as we study division, I will make it as multiply. So instead I have here divide by 4, I will multiply both sides by 4 by 4. So as you can see, multiply by 4 and divide by 4, they cancel each other. So it will be m equals 7 multiplied by 4, which is how many? Yes, 28. So the answer of this equation is 28. This is called one-step equation for linear equation. One step means you have to do only one step to solve the equation. As you can see, I just make multiply by 4 here. There I just do division by 3. Here I just make adding for the 18. And this one I just subtract 4. So just one step I get my answer. In some cases we have more than one problem. I mean, if I give you a question like 3m minus 2 equals 13. As you can see, I have here two problems. Problem number 1, which is subtract 2. Problem number 2, which is 3m. The m is multiplied by 3. So basically, I have two problems here. First of all, I would get rid of the subtract or addition because it's easier. So first of all, this minus 2, I will shift it. I will transpose it to the other side. So 3m is going to be equal to 13 plus 2, which gives you 15. So now I can say that 3m equals, yes, 13 plus 2 is how many? It is 15. Then I will do division by 3, division by 3. Why I did that? Because the coefficient here is a 3, and 3 means multiplied by 3. So I will do the opposite, the inverse operation, which is divide by 3. So when I did division by 3 here for both sides, divide by 3, divide by 3. So m is equal to, yeah, what is the answer of 15 divided by 3? Yes, it is 5. So the answer in this case is 5. Let's take another example. If I said 9y minus 2 equals 61. So as you can see in this question, we have two problems. Problem number 1, problem number 2. So subtract 2, I'm going to shift it. I'm going to transpose it to the other side. So 9y is going to be equal to 61, and minus 2, it will be plus 2. So 61 and 2 is going to be how many? Yes, 63. So 9y equals 63. Then 9y means 9 multiplied by y. So I will do division by 9, division by 9, and then I will cancel the 9. So the y will be how many? Yes, 63 divided by 9 is 7. So the answer is just 7. Another question, and let's make it a little bit harder. So if I said here 5 2m minus 4 equals 50. Okay, in this case we can solve this question by using distributive property. As you can see, this 5, I need to multiply it twice. One time here by the first term of the bracket, and the second time there with the 4. So first of all, I need to multiply 5 with the 2m. So 5 multiplied by 2m as 10m. Then minus, and here 5 times 4. 5 times 4 will be 20. And since this is negative, so it will be negative 20. Equals the same 50. So again, what I did here in this case is I just multiplied the number which is out of the bracket by the whole bracket. So as you can see, 5 multiplied by 2m is going to give me 10m. And 5 multiplied by 4 give me 20. Why it's negative? Because here is negative. Equals 50, 50. That's it. Now it becomes to be easier. As you can see, I have two problems, negative 20 and the 10. So first of all, I need to get rid of the negative 20 or minus 20. So I will shift it, I will transpose it to the other side with plus 20. So I can say that 10m equals, first of all, 50, then plus 20. How many is 50 plus 20? Yes, it is 70. So I can read it as 10m equals to 70. And now what I should do with the 10m, I need to get rid of the 10. Okay, what I should do is it added, subtracted, multiplied. 10m means 10 multiplied by m. So that's why I'll do division by 10 for both sides. So divide by 10, give me just m. And 70 divided by 10 is just 7. So the answer of this equation is m equals 7. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for watching this video, and see you inshallah in another videos بإذن الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.